If you love that red, white, and blue, here we go with another patriotic recipe. This time, we will make tricolor almond crinkle cookies. If you have ever wondered how these cookies get their signature crinkle look, I'll tell you how to make it happen in your kitchen. Let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt until it's evenly combined. In a large bowl, beat half a cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar together until they are light and fluffy. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 large eggs and mix. Then, add 2 teaspoons of almond extract. If you don't like almond, you can choose an extract that you do like. You could be adventurous or try something summery like orange, strawberry, or lemon. Mix until everything is combined and forms a smooth, creamy base. In 2 batches, we will add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. We will mix on low speed until just combined, being very careful not to overmix. Next, we will divide the dough evenly into 3 bowls. We will leave 1 bowl white. We will add red gel food coloring to the second bowl, and to the third bowl, we will add blue gel food coloring. Mix this until they're fully dyed. Once all your dough has been dyed, place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour before shaping. While the dough is chilling, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a couple of baking sheets with parchment paper or a silpat liner. On a large plate, measure about 1½ cups of powdered sugar. This will be for rolling the cookies after we shape them. Let's get ready to bake. Grab your dough from the fridge and pinch off a small piece from each colored dough. Gently press them together to form a single ball. Roll the ball lightly between your palms until you have a tighter dough ball. Roll each dough ball in powdered sugar and coat it completely, making sure there's a generous layer that will create the crinkle effect during baking. Place your coated dough balls on your baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between the cookies. Depending on how big you want your cookies, you could make far more than 14 cookies, but I believe a cookie should be a decent size, not a tiny and forgettable one. Bake your cookies in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes, or until the cookies are puffed, cracked, and just set around the edges. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. These oh so cute patriotic cookies are hard to resist. I won't tell anyone if you decided not to share, but please let me know which flavor extract you chose for your cookies. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.